So these are some of the pictures of my existing crock pit. It was containing some silt, a few broken PVC pipes, and some other garbage which was lying in there. So I got it cleaned using a vacuum cleaner, and then I'll show you how it looks after the cleaning. The crock pit cleaned today. This is what has come out. I'll show you what is inside. So a lot of silt under it. So we'll use a vacuum cleaner to suck all of it, and once it is cleaned, I'll show it to you then. So the pit has been cleaned, as you can see. This is how it looks after getting cleaned. Thanks for watching.